right, we here with Go Local, and I'm here with Yoshi. He just got off the stage at Follow Me ATL. I've been like watching this brother just be hitting stages, and he did not disappoint. But how do you and your music? What's that conversation y'all having?
We just like to embody the process of being yourself completely, yeah? And like unapologetically you, no matter what space you're in. So that's, you know, what the physical representation is, because it's all the things I love, and I don't really care if you don't like it. I like it, and the ones that like it, and that's all that matters to me.
Made you move here from London?
Oh, no. See, I'm from Cincinnati, Ohio.
What? What?
I travel the world, you see. I have to represent my home state, and my home state, I got to represent the home. But I didn't represent the world. But Cincinnati, Ohio.
You're a world citizen.
Oh, so that's what you can say. As I don't need a passport, my face is the passport. You know what I mean? Customs knows me by name.
Say word. When people come to their show, how would you describe the show to them?
Sophisticatedly ignorant.
What impact did Atlanta have on the music community?
The party aspect of the music creeped into my sound. When I first was in Atlanta, I actually was a battle rapper first. Entertainment is entertainment, and if they shake their ass, they get the cash. That's just how it goes. We know how it Hey, this your boy. The cat in the hat that can rap. And look, I'm here with Go Loco Atlanta because good music lives here. You dig what I mean? Straight like that.
I love it.